Let's compare the AILKIN car charger against the AILKIN USB charger. So both of these are from AILKIN. They're very similar in a lot of ways. Both of them have two USB ports on here. With each of them, you'll have to supply your own cable. So you'll have to supply a cable that plugs into the larger size of USB port and then plugs into your Android or Apple phone or tablet or whatever you're planning to charge. But the biggest difference is that the USB wall charger here is designed to plug into a standard 120 volt plug at home. So you can plug this into the wall and charge up when you're at home versus with a car charger here from AILKIN, it's designed to go into the accessory socket in your car and charge up while you're driving. So both of them very similar, except for the fact that one is for home, that's the USB charger, one is for the car. Similar, design, similar ports on both of these. No cables included on either of them, and same brand. But you're just going to have to use this one in the car, the AILKIN car charger, and the USB wall charger is for home.